Oh, thank you.
Growing up around Gujarati neighbors meant growing up with incredible food. Khakra, handwo, dal dokri, and of course theplas. Today, I'm sharing authentic Gujarati thepla recipe with secret tips to keep them soft and travel friendly. Let's begin. The key to good thepla starts with fresh ingredients. Finely chopped methi, followed with turmeric, red chili powder, sesame seeds, some carom seeds. Methi is packed with iron, fiber, and helps in digestion, making thepla both delicious and nutritious. Don't forget to crush the ajwain between your hands. It activates the thymol, which is great for digestion. If you like your thepla spicier, you can add some crushed chilies at this stage, followed by wheat flour, some salt. Next is the secret that keeps thepla soft longer. Adding yogurt and oil while kneading keeps thepla soft for hours even after cooling. The lactic acid in the yogurt breaks down the gluten, ensuring they stay soft. But if you are planning to carry them for more than 3 days, skip the yogurt. Add an extra spoon of oil instead. Add little water and knead the dough. Knead the dough to get it to a soft and firm consistency, but not tight. Resting the dough allows the flavors to come together and makes rolling easier. The dough is rested and ready. Let me tell you some easy ways to customize this recipe. If methi isn't available, you can use moringa leaves instead. The method stays exactly same. For protein boost, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan. And if you prefer millet theplas, replace a small portion of wheat flour with jawar or bajra. Roll the theplas evenly, not too thick, not too thin. Cook them on high-medium flame, flipping at right moment. A little oil and some patience. Gentle pressure, and that's the secret to soft, long-lasting theplas. The golden rule for storage is ensuring they are completely cool before packing to prevent moisture buildup and spoilage. Pro tip: shuffle the theplas as they cool so they stay soft and don't dry out on one side. For us, theplas aren't just food, they are comfort, memories, and must have travel companion, especially when shared with the people you love.